Hello everyone. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna give you some advice or strategy on how to gain a lot of student in Sankey Online English. Okay, just a quick discussion lang po tungkol dito. Okay, so first is you need to open your slot every day and do the just follow the flow script of Sunday. Then in the feedbacking, dyan ka na itututo mo yung sasabihin mo sa student. Like for example, thank you so much for having a class with me. I am so happy that you attend my class. So I hope to see you again. And I hope to see you again tomorrow, right? So, somewhat like that. So, kasi magaganahan yung student na babalik at babalik sa iyo. And aside from that, please open your slot every weekend. So, doon mo ibubongga para yung mga student ay babalik at babalik pa rin sa iyo. Char. Sana all. Okay. And bukod dyan, um, wag palaging mag-cancel ng classes kasi as what I have observed, there are some students, especially yung mga regular student mo na kapag ikaw ay palagi kang nag-cancel classes or hindi ka nag-open ng slot every day, para bang they're gonna um, ano bang term na mahiubos? Para silang mahiubos sa inyo, ha? So, ganahan sila mo attend sa inyong klase, but they will not book na lang kay or may maka-absent. So, that's it. In my next video, madalian lang po ito kasi I have a class pa. So, in my next video, I'm gonna discuss to you about the latest incentives in Sun. Kaya magaganahan kayo nito. Alright, goodbye! Mhm.